All right, guys, here I am on the Maxpump high to low row. Couple features that I'd like to point out. I really like how you can adjust this grip profile. So you can have it super wide, you can bring it in slightly, and you can bring it all the way into a neutral position. How you're going to load this is you're going to load this on the back, and it loads unilaterally. So all of the weight is evenly distributed. So you don't need to put 2 plates and 2 plates. If you put 2 plates here and 1 plate here, it's loading equally. So from there, you come in here, you can adjust the pad. If you want to, if you're shorter, bring it up. If you're taller, bring it down. You can adjust the pad right here. You want to make sure that your knees are firmly planted underneath, and then you'll reach up, full lengthening, drive down. If you really want to target that lat, get that full stretch, drive the elbow down, tuck it in. If you want to switch to a neutral position, you can just bring it out. Again, drive down. And as you notice, the weight is equally added. So you can do pronated, supinated, neutral grip, bunch of different grip variations that you can choose from. And this is one of the best features at the Dragon's Lair.